Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our Circle Plus. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Debbie. I have a son that's on the autism spectrum. His name is Clinton Bridge. We call him CB for short. And I do hope that you will become a CB crew. Um, we're a small channel over here, but we're slowly growing. On this channel, you'll see a lot of therapies for my son, a little bit of DIY, cleaning, cooking, day in the life, just a whole gamut of things. So today I'm coming on here and I have to rant, okay? I feel as though being a mom that has a special needs son, I feel oftentimes I'm punished because of all the loopholes I have to jump through, okay? And I just received a letter from the Social Security Administration office. And it's really a booklet that they're asking me to fill in to make sure that my son is still autistic. I'm like, what the hell? If there was a cure, I would have. Guys, who wants to have a child or anyone that requires 24/7 care? Nobody. So then you're going to dump this on me and ask all these questions and want me to send it back. Guess what? I'm being cantankerous today because it also says that they don't want me to contact any medical providers to provide information. Well, you know what? I'm just going to leave those things blank. I have to sign a waiver anyway for them to contact the provider. So why should I even bother? That's what I'm saying. These kinds of things will send you over as a parent. I'm ranting today to begin with, y'all. It's a great day. I woke up this morning. I'm grateful. I'll give you guys an update on my dad, his condition as well. But this kind of stuff, it gets my graw. It really does. It really does. It really, really does, because I don't see any sense in it. Why will you send me a packet like that? He's autistic. I mean, I I don't know. Anyway, enough about that. Enough about that. I think I figured out what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bother about filling out any medical information because I would have to call the doctor to find out. I mean, I don't document every little detail that my son, his doctor visits, dentals. I mean, because it's overwhelming, guys. It is. I probably should, but I don't. I know that I take him every year for his physical. I make sure his teeth are clean. If there's any follow ups, I make sure that he goes. So, yeah. But anyway, so I'm on here talking about that today. And I think I'm going to get in my closet today. It's kind of an overcast today in Texas, or in the area that I live in anyway. And I think there is like a 3 to 4 day forecast that it's going to be raining. So, yep. So I haven't been going many places anyway. I'm still on leave, so um, I'm just home healing and taking care of what I need to take care of. So, as promised, my father was hospitalized, if you're new, last Sunday, and he had to be transported from one city in South Texas to Houston. And it's just been a week because Tuesday he had to have emergency surgery. They found an aneurysm on his colon. And then Thursday, no, Wednesday, they went in and they had to go in again and they found a bleeding ulcer. So my dad is, and guys, I had his birthday wrong. His birthday is today. He's 86 today. So I'm hoping to have somewhat of a celebration. We'll see how it goes. We're going to take it one day at a time, but he definitely deserves kudos because he's had a week. He has definitely had a week. But according to my stepmom this morning, they're taking him down for another colonoscopy just to make sure that there's nothing else, because there's still some active bleeding, so they want to make sure that there's nothing else going on. But she did give me a bit of information, and I don't want to, give too much information because it's not, it's kind of a gruesome thing. But it sounds like his body is kind of cleansing itself, which is good because I was really beginning to get concerned. But they're going to do a thorough colonoscopy from top to bottom, bottom to top. So just keeping him in prayer. If you guys, believe in prayer and you want to pray, I welcome them. So that's that. And I am going to take a break from this paperwork from the Social Security Administration, and I'm probably going to eat lunch, and then I'll go in my closet and I'll take you guys in there. I'm just going to pull out a few things and just start taking some things out and putting them away until I get everything out. Oh, I did say the last video I said I was going to let you guys know when I receive these gummies, the CBD gummies. And guys, I've tried. It's a local vendor. It's Hemporium, Big Dan's. So, if you guys are interested, I can link his information in the description box, or if you ask me to, I can send it. I gave each one of my sons one. Brandon said he didn't make him feel any different. And CB, I couldn't tell if there was any difference. So CB has not been to work in 2 weeks. So I'm wanting him to go back this Monday. And because he has anxiety when it comes to traffic, guys. So that has been my big thorn in my side when it comes to Clinton and work. Is that we have to transport him to and from, and he has issues with traffic. So I'm going to try the gummies, and actually they're 25 milligrams per gummy. So I don't know if 2 will do. I don't know. So I'm just going to play it by ear, but I'll keep you guys abreast. So anywho, I'm going to hop off here real quickly, and I'm going to grab a bite to eat, and I'll pick you guys up later. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's much later in the day. So I'm in this closet, and Miss Buster, what do you want? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me take care of him. Okay, y'all. So right away, I see some shoes that I know I'm not gonna wear anymore. And I know I'm going about this backwards, but to me these are done. Yeah, and I think these are as well. Yeah. I think these are going to Goodwill. Just an FYI, I wear between a 5.5 and a 6 inch shoe. Boot 6 to 6.5. So, y'all, I hate to get rid of these. I know I told y'all this last time. These shoes are so right here and here. They are so comfortable, but they are so high. I think they're like 4 inches. I don't know, but if I could get them cut, I may wear them again, but if I can't, forget it. It's a done. It's a wrap. So, these pair of shoes are going to Goodwill for sure. And so guys, I just decided to just start shifting through the clothes as you see here. And I just randomly selected things that I know I definitely would not wear anymore. And so I just took my time and just kind of perused that side of the closet. And as you will see, I quickly worked my way on the opposite side, on the right side of the closet. And I actually did quite a bit. I was able to remove a lot of things from my closet that I had been needing to remove. One definite thing that I was happy to get rid of were all of those department store bags and the cleaners, clear plastic bags. Guys, they really make your closet look bad. Makes it look really junky. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of opening up all of those bags and seeing what's in there and determining whether or not I want to keep whatever it was that was within the bag. So it gave me much satisfaction to do this. Y'all look at this. Uh, Here's the stack of clothes here. So, and then those are old covers and things like that that I'm getting rid of. And let me show you what I bought from Amazon, guys, that I think is going to help protect the clothes from dust and things like that. So give me a few minutes so I can get out of here. Okay, y'all. So real quick. I bought, like I said, I got these from Amazon. Let me know if you're interested in them. I may just link them anyway. But anyway, what it does is it just covers the top of your clothes. And I thought that was really cool. It's got a clear sheet so you can see what's in there. You don't have all those plastic bags from the cleaners or from the department stores. You can just, put them in here, and I think this will work for the really nice things that I have, like some of my jackets. That's mainly what it's going to be used for, my jackets and suits and stuff like that. That's what I'm going to use them for. So let me give you a real quick update on my dad. He had an extensive colonoscopy today, and it turns out that he has diverticulitis. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. And I've heard of that before. So guys, this is such a relief. Oh my goodness. My dad has been through it this week. And I'm just grateful. I'm very grateful. Very, very grateful. So if you said a prayer for us, I appreciate it again. I know he's going to be very weak because he's lost a lot of blood. And he really hasn't eaten much in a whole week. So he's going to have to eat some power foods to get his strength back. So my hope one day, and I know you probably will say, this girl is glutton for punishment, is to have my dad closer to me so I can keep, an eye on him and make sure that he's eating right and all that good stuff. But who knows? Who knows what's in the near future? But anyway, that's the update. So guys, I'm going to go back in my closet right now, and I'm going to pick up. I'll probably speed this part up too, so just hang on in there and you'll watch me clean up in there. So guys, it doesn't look like I've made much headway, but believe me, I have. On one side of my closet, I can see the floor. A couple of weeks ago, I couldn't see that side of the floor. And I am seeing progress here. So I just want to let you know. It's looking good. I've got a long ways to go, but it's looking good. So we started back over here in this corner, and guys, I have to, purge some more hangers. So I'm going to be doing that for a while, but I think I got mostly the black ones in here, and I'm just going to color coordinate everything. I'm not going to separate the summer from the winter. Here are the pants down here, slacks, jeans. So I've got some more purging to do, but I don't think I'll have as much because I don't have that many slacks, guys. So I am making headway. but it's a work in progress. So what I'm going to do now is just start in this corner here and just start color coordinating everything and just seeing what I come up with. I think I want to start in the corner with black and then just work my way all the way back over here and end up with white over here in this corner. So that's what I'm going to do. As I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a part 2 as I start to organize the closet. This video, I don't want it to be too long and bore you guys. So um, I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to end it here. So if you please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't done so already, I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys have the beginning of a great, great week and that you all are blessed in many ways. So thank you again. If you did pray for my father, I really appreciate it. God answers all prayers. So with that in mind, I'm going to say I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.